Good morning, guys. It's been a while since I've given you my last drink. It is currently 12:35 in the afternoon. Perfect time to make a great drink. Alright, first you're going to need a glass. And I find the best way to just get them just from the dishwasher. And that ice is really important. Always a huge fan of gin. We're going to need 2 shots. That seems about right. You're gonna need a shot of mustard. Alright, next add to our drink, just some chicken stock. Doesn't take much. And we are gonna need a garnish. Just a cheese stick. And now you're ready to drink. I forgot the one last ingredient. Now you've got a great drink.